Hello everyone, welcome to RoboScore. In this video, we'll be learning basic arithmetic in CMD, which includes the DMAS. So first, open command prompt. And now after opening command prompt, change the directory. So type cd / and enter. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the directory. Now let's get on with the real command. So type set space /a, and this is for basic arithmetics in CMD. And let us start with division. So 2 by 2 should be 1, and yes, we did get 1. Now multiplication. So we should get 4, but the catch over here is if we type 2 times 2, we get an invalid number error. So we should not use x in this case. In fact, we should use 2 times 2, which is 2 asterisk 2. And now when you press enter, we get 4. And now for addition, 2 plus 5 is 7, and we did get 7. And for subtraction, which is 1, and yes, we did get 1. And now let us talk about an inclusive feature, which is doing addition and subtraction together. So 2 plus 2, which should be 4. Now minus 1, which should be 3. And so as you can see, it did work. That is all for this video, everyone. Make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel.